how to add your PayPal account to Google Pay, basically an integration guide. So what you're gonna do is go ahead to whichever Google Pay account or Google Play account, you want to put in your PayPal account, and you can do it in your Play Store. So once you have chosen your account, go ahead and scroll down until you find your payments and subscriptions, and then just go ahead and choose your payment methods. Here you can find other options like credit cards or whatever, but you're gonna have to find the PayPal option right here. It's going to say add PayPal if you haven't added one yet, and this way you can add your PayPal account to Google Pay by pressing on add PayPal. From here, just go ahead and put in your email account of whatever PayPal account you want to add here, and then you're gonna have to put in your password or whichever security process is going to be asked from you. And then once you've done all that, your PayPal account will be added as one of your payment methods into your Google Pay, technically integrating both together. So that's pretty much how you can do this process. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.